The great invention of the airplane by the Wright Brothers in 1903 has, however, evolved into an unbelievable extent today. Today, we're going to tell you about the craziest, most unusual flying machines that actually fly in actuality and are nothing like your regular airplane. Without further ado, let's have a look at this list. Invented in the autumn of 2012, the fascinating Flyboard Air was created by Frankie Zapata and his team. Mixing the design of a drone with a racing car, this flying machine is the fastest one created by the company. Its stabilization system and its autonomy makes this machine the most practical means of transport for short distances. Precisely and carefully designed, with a large number of built-in safety features, this machine contains the safest, lightest, and most maneuverable system ever created. The device was presented to the public for the first time at the Jet Ski World Championship 2012 in China. Since its introduction, the Flyboard has sold around 2,500 units. Swiss ex-military aviation enthusiast and commercial pilot Yves Rossi developed and built a winged pack called the Alpha Jetman, with rigid airplane-type carbon fiber wings spanning about 2.4 meters and 4 small kerosene-burning JetCat P400 jet engines underneath. These engines are large versions of a type designed for model airplanes. The flyer wears a heat-resistant suit similar to that of a firefighter or racing driver to protect himself from the hot jet exhaust. Rossi's jetpack was exhibited on April 18, 2008 at the opening day of the 35th Exhibition of Inventions at Geneva. Rossi and his sponsors spent over $190,000 to build the device. His first successful trial flight was on June 24, 2004 near Geneva. Rossi has made more than 30 powered flights since. On November 3, 2015, Jetpack Aviation demonstrated the incredible JB-9 in Upper New York Bay in front of the Statue of Liberty. The JB-9 carries 4.5 kilograms of kerosene fuel that burns through 2 vectored thrust AMT Nike jet engines at a rate of 3.8 liters per minute for up to 10 minutes of flying time, depending on pilot weight. The weight of fuel is a consideration, but it's reported to start with a 150 meters per minute climb rate that doubles as the fuel burns off. While this model has been limited to 102 kilometers per hour, the prototype of the JB-10 is reported to fly at over 200 kilometers per hour. This is a true jetpack, a backpack that provides jet-powered flight. Jetpack Aviation was started by Australian businessman David Mayman. Created by Gravity Industries, the marvelous Daedalus Mark I, or the Gravity Jet Suit, is a jetpack that uses miniature jet engines to achieve vertical flight. Gravity Industries was founded in March 2017 by English inventor, entrepreneur, and speaker Richard Browning, who has been given the title of the real-life Iron Man. The suit achieved a speed of 32.02 miles per hour during its Guinness World Records attempt for fastest speed in a controlled jet engine-powered suit. The suit uses kerosene engines which can provide 22 kilograms of thrust each. This allows the person to use his arms to control the direction and speed of the flight. Hoverbike Scorpion 3 was founded in Moscow, Russia in January 2014 by inventor, tech entrepreneur, and businessman Alexander Adamanov. This amazing flying bike is a single-passenger, altitude-limited quadcopter hoverbike. The Scorpion has a maximum speed of 69 kilometers per hour, a maximum altitude of 4.6 meters, and has a range of 21 kilometers. The flight time is between 15 to 40 minutes depending upon the payload. The Martin Jetpack was a single-person aircraft under development. Despite its name, it did not use a jetpack as such, but ducted fans for lift. Martin Aircraft Company of New Zealand developed it and unveiled it at the Experimental Aircraft Association's 2008 Air Venture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. It used a gasoline engine with 2 ducted fans to provide lift. It was specified to have a maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour, a flight ceiling of 760 meters, a range of 15 to 20 kilometers, and an endurance of about 28 minutes of flight. The empty weight was 200 kilograms. Kitty Hawk Flyer is a remarkable invention of the Kitty Hawk Corporation, which is an American aircraft manufacturer producing electric personal air vehicles. The Flyer was a personal aircraft that was kept aloft by 8 battery-powered propellers. The engineering was led by Cameron Robertson and Todd Riker. The production Flyer was introduced on June 6, 2018. A license was not required to pilot the Flyer, as it was built under U.S. FAR Part 103 ultralight regulations. After 25,000 unmanned or crewed flights combined using 111 aircraft, Kitty Hawk ended the program on June 3, 2020. Based in Montreal, Canada, inventor Alexander Duru founded the spectacular Omni hoverboards in 2015, and Duru's been working on his flying electric vertical takeoff and landing hoverboard since 2010. On September 20th, 2014, Duru flew 275.9 meters at a height of 5 meters above Lake Oahu in Quebec, Canada, and the flight was officially recognized by Guinness World Records. This helped him gain worldwide recognition for his work and get the attention of investors around the world to finance his project. The Lift Hexa is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing single-passenger wingless multi-copter ultralight aimed primarily at tourism and short-distance travel. The Hexa has a motor strut assembly resembling a web of 6 inward-pointing sectors with 12 outer and 6 inner electrically powered propellers for a total of 18 propellers, which allows the aircraft to be controlled simply by varying individual motor speed. Another magnificent invention of Kitty Hawk Corporation is the Kitty Hawk Heaviside. On October 3, 2019, Kitty Hawk revealed that they've been secretly working for 2 years on a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Heaviside was named after the English self-taught electrical engineer, mathematician, and physicist Oliver Heaviside. Kitty Hawk describes the aircraft's sound as 100 times quieter than a helicopter, faster than a helicopter, and weighs about 1/3 of a Cessna airplane. Frankie Zapata's innovations are not only limited to Flyboard Air. Easy Fly is a mind-blowing variation of the original Flyboard Air. Intended for military or civilian use, it allows faster and more autonomous travel. The modifications enable the user to train within 30 minutes, which considerably reduces the training time. Easy Fly can attain a height of 3,000 meters and a speed up to 150 kilometers per hour. It's powered by 5 turbines and has a flight time of 10 minutes and can carry up to 120 kilograms of weight. The sleek-looking open-air Blackfly is an American electric-powered personal air vehicle designed by Canadian Marcus Lang and in production by his company, Opener Inc. of Palo Alto, California. It was publicly introduced on July 12, 2018, after 9 years of development. The aircraft is intended to be supplied complete and ready to fly. Alada Airspeeder Mark III is the product of Alada Aeronautics, which was founded in 2016 by the creator of the Airspeeder Mark I through Mark IV electric vertical takeoff and landing racing aircraft. This beauty is a subscale, uncrewed, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft prototype that we believe has a maximum speed of 250 kilometers per hour with 8 electric propellers and 8 electric motors. The Airspeeder has a smooth aerodynamic shape that resembles a 1960s Formula One race car with a composite fuselage and skid-type landing gear. The Big Drone's ambition to be the first manned drone with aerobatic capabilities is a game changer. DCL is leveraging the expertise that comes from creating heart-thumping motorsports to pioneer an innovation platform for future mobility. The Big Drone's propellers produce 300 kilograms of thrust, and the maximum speed of this aircraft is 140 kilometers per hour. It has 12 motors and 12 propellers, and the aircraft can roll 180 degrees over and make full 180-degree loops. It's expected to be used and flown by people who play in the Drone Champions League. The LVM 496 embodies quintessential Lazarus design, futuristic features, and a pendular geometry combined with out-of-the-world performance and character. Instead of the Italian engine, a composite body hides the kerosene tank, which gives it autonomy of about 10 minutes in flight. The riding position and light steering of the LMV 496 offer immediate handling, braking, and running gear technology. And on that note, we must end today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. With that, take care, and we'll see you guys next time.